is bleeding to me. Because I think I did it too much on that foil. It's just bleeding it completely. Don't worry about it. We have a different way to doing it. Okay, so instead of foil, you can do right on a straight on it and do designs. But I am going to using a different one because it's not gonna stop me from doing the beautiful nails for you. Where my collection is. Okay. No, I just have it here. Where is that? I have whole entire collection of my collection here. When it's high from you. Oh, right there. I found it. All right. It's okay. I found this guy. Where are my tweezers though? Did I? The long one? No. The long one. Hey, I might throw my tweezers away. I didn't remember. It's dry, so then I can place my really stickers on it. I can't use that and do it at the same time. I need to adjusting it down. Okay. So you can pick whatever you like. You can do foot nails, but I am doing encapsulating today. So we're gonna have so much fun with this, guys. Like, I'm gonna find the green one right there. This one is fun to work with. This is specially for the clients who love Louise. And you can continue however you prefer. If you want more, you can put it more, you can put it higher. I think I'm good. I get a few of them here. Just fun. Great. So I'm gonna cap the clear coat. All the way. You know why it was on the other one it doesn't work? Because it's had the foil effects on it. So when the foil and chrome, it just wash out. But if you're doing with condensed glue gels, it's not gonna be a problem at all. Or if you're using your other chamfer foil, there's with no chrome effects on it. Great. We have pink, we have yellow. We can do either greens or pink on this one. We can do this really nice pink. Maybe we should do green, huh? Do we? We don't have a green. So sorry, I'll change my mind. I'm gonna use a green. This pink, I'm gonna use it later. Maybe I should use a blue. Stir my powder. Using a green is really hard. I just have only the spot that I can do is great. So first beads, I'm gonna do it right where is the first portions of the nails with the stickers. And I'm gonna using that first to blending it out. And I'm gonna going another bead, so because the powder is really offside for me. And I'm gonna pick up the second bead, smaller size portion of the beads, and then you're gonna do just uplines right in the cuticles and work along with the cuticle and fill in without had it running all over your cuticles. You should want to be in this one a little bit more. I think I want to be down a little bit more. Then you can place them right here and do it down about half of the nails. So you can still see your design, but you can still see the ombre as well. Looks great. Now I am gonna cap it with the clear. I'm gonna put some crystal underneath. Okay, now I'm gonna apply the clear to cap completely the nails. Sorry guys. I try to work in the good views on both Instagram and Facebook. If you have questions, just let me know. I will try to fulfill all your questions when I get a minute here. So when you apply the powder, make sure you go in and guide that right in the center of the nails. Looking good.